everybody, welcome to Lotus Mind Zone. Today, we're going to go over I am rich powerful money affirmations to manifest wealth and abundance. Make sure to stay until the end of this video. You can't miss the last powerful affirmations for making money and manifesting prosperity, happiness, success, wealth and abundance. I am a money magnet, money is drawn to me. I am attracting money at this very moment. The money I contribute always comes back to me multiplied. Everything I touch turns into gold. I am ready and able to receive unexpected money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I deserve to make more money. I am open and receptive to all wealth life brings me. My actions create constant prosperity. I constantly discover new sources of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth into my life. I constantly attract opportunities that create more money. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I use money to improve my life. I have more than enough money. My income is growing higher and higher. I am an excellent money manager. I attract money happily in my life. Money is abundant to me. I attract money easily and effortlessly. I use money to improve the lives of others. I attract money beyond my wildest dreams. Money is the root of joy and comfort. My money works hard for me, to make me more and more money. I am the master of my wealth. I am able to handle large sums of money. Money creates a positive impact on my life and the life of others. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. I am becoming more and more prosperous every day. I deserve abundance and prosperity. I attract enough passive income to pay for the lifestyle I want. I believe money is important. Money is energy, so money is good. I know that money is freedom. I get rich doing what I love. The universe will always serve my best interests. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I have a positive money mindset. Attracting money comes easily to me. I deserve to be rich. I am financially free. I add value to other people's lives. The more value I contribute, the more money I will make. I am debt-free because money is constantly flowing into my life. I am open to receiving money in my life. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I am grateful that I can contribute my money to the economy. I am happy to pay my bills for all that they provide me. The money I spend and earn makes me happy. I love money, and money loves me. The universe provides enough money for everyone. I always have more money coming in than going out. I deserve money in my life. My income is always greater than my expenses. I am grateful for all that money brings me. I enjoy managing and investing my money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I always have enough money. I attract money to give to others. Money is energy and it flows into my life constantly. I let go of all my limiting beliefs around money. Money Affirmations Set 7 I let go of all my fears around money. My net worth is increasing. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I have the power to attract wealth and money into my life. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. Every day, I choose money and wealth. All the money I have brings me joy. Money is abundant and I attract it naturally. I am happy where I currently am. Money is unlimited and my prosperity is unlimited. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I love my abundant and positive life. The more I give, the more I receive. I thank the universe for the money that flows to me. I radiate prosperity, money, and wealth. Money is pouring into my life. I release everything blocking my money at this moment. I am wealthy and living on my own terms. Life loves me and contributes to me constantly. I deserve abundance in my life. I forgive myself and set myself free of all limiting beliefs. My bank account is constantly filled with money. There are no limits to the money I can make. The more fun I have, the more money I make. Abundance is everywhere around me. I constantly live in comfort and joy. I release all my fear around money. An abundance of money is flowing into my life right now. I believe anyone can be wealthy, including myself. My wealth comes from being honest and true in everything I do. My life is improving and prosperity is coming to me right now. I will always have everything I need. The universe takes excellent care of me. My mind is a powerful magnet for wealth and abundance. I live my life in an abundance of money. My income is constantly increasing. Thank you, universe, for providing me with all the money and wealth I need. I take every great opportunity that comes my way. If others can be wealthy, so can I. Today, no matter where I am, I focus on that which I want to see. All the resources I need are within me. I am abundant, rich, wealthy, deserving, worthy. I love my life and everything it provides me with. Abundance is all around me, in everything I do. If you want to learn more about I Am Rich Powerful Money Affirmations to manifest wealth, affirmations for wealth, health, prosperity, happiness, money affirmation for success, affirmation for making money, billions of dollars, winning the lottery. Join the links below this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of guided meditation, kneeling, stress relief, inner peace, and mindfulness, relaxation music, endless aura cleansing meditation, and much more. See you in the next video.